एवरीवन। आज हम लोगों का क्या क्या प्लान है? उबुद मार्केट, सरस्वती टेम्पल, टेगनुंगन कोई एक वाटरफॉल है फेमस, तो वहाँ जाएंगे। हमारी ये अर्टिगा है। The plant lady inside of me was so happy. There were so many types of plants. Priyanka Ubud Market is a cheaper version of actual Ubud Market, so you can definitely check this out. Ubud Water Palace was okay. You can skip it if you want to. They'll give you a costume that you have to wear, and then there are these thrones where you can sit and click pictures. Thank you. Hello. Next we were off to coffee plantation, where we were going to try the famous luwak coffee.
We can use for honey.
Yeah. These, right?
Yes, we can produce for honey.
Okay.
Small bee, yeah.
Yeah.
For this animal, we can produce coffee just from the coffee.
From the poo.
Yeah. So this is coffee bean.
It's actually cleaned and then
Cleaned by hot water.
yeah.
We wash by hot water. And after we wash, and then we can dry, and after that roasting. We have milk coffee and pineapple.
This is ginger,
Yeah, ginger.
cinnamon.
And we only get one
Yeah, clove.
So this is how.
how to make it, yeah? Only
Oh, okay.
Get one.
the smooth Arabica, yeah?
Luwak, right?
Luwak,
Yeah.
yeah.
One.
Saying multiple coffees. Which one was that?
Vanilla.
Vanilla. Vanilla ये अच्छा बोल रहे हो. They will provide you with a lot of coffee samples and tea samples, which are basically free of cost. However, if you want to taste the luwak coffee, that is the poop coffee, then you have to pay, I think, 500 rupees. And here comes the moment of truth. Sudarshan trying the luwak coffee. And from his expressions, you can see that he did not like it at all. Actually, it has a lot of granules, and that's the reason why he did not like it. Yeah. Big spider. आज के और इनफैक्ट ट्रिप के लास्ट अट्रैक्शन पे जा रहे हैं, जो कि है, हाउ डू यू प्रोनाउंस इट?
Tegenungan.
टेगनुआन.
Tegenungan.
एंड वहीं पे एक ओमा बोल के क्लब भी है, तो वहीं पे थोड़ा खाना वगैरह भी खा लेंगे. अभी आ गए टेगनुआन वाटरफॉल, एंड हमने क्या किया, यहाँ पे ना लंच प्लान कर लिया. सो लंच प्लान किया क्योंकि सुदर्शन का पैर दुख रहा है बहुत ज़्यादा. यू हैव लंच, यू कैन यूज़ देयर लिफ्ट टू गो डाउन. आप ये ट्राई कर सकते हैं. सो मच मोर ईजियर. तो अभी जस्ट एक टेबल वेकेंट हो गया है यहाँ पे ओमा पे, तो हमने क्विकली जाके वो टेबल ले लिया है. At Omma, you can also opt for sunbed, and they have different packages. You can choose one of those packages, chillax by the pool, have a great time, or you can just opt for lunch. छोटा सा एक पुल क्रॉस करना पड़ता है वाटरफॉल तक पहुंचने के लिए. Just now an Indian couple was waving at us. हमें लगा पता नहीं क्यों बुला रहे. Then we realized कि इन लोगों ने सेम शर्ट पहन रखे हैं, सुदर्शन ने और उन्होंने सेम शर्ट पहने थे. Our next stop was Bagus. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but our driver said that this was the local shop, and that's why the rates were much cheaper than the other places. We shopped quite a lot of souvenirs for our friends and family, after which we exchanged the currency. So here in Bali, it's always advised to get dollars and get the currency exchanged. So that you get a good rate. We had to leave early the next morning, and that's the reason why I packed all my bags before going out for dinner.
Can somebody help?
Have a nice flight. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you to you too for showing us
I'm
around.
sorry I can't give you anything.
No, that's fine. Back to motherland.
Back to motherland. सुदर्शन ने ये वाले टिकट्स बाय किए एक्चुअली, क्योंकि हाँ थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा लेग स्पेस मिल जाता है. 6 घंटे की फ्लाइट है. डोमेस्टिक ट्रांसफ़र कर लिया. Got some liquor for my papa. That was it about our Bali trip. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Bye bye.